In this PopDoc AI demo, we are leveraging the PopDoc MCP server via the Claude plugin from within Excel. As you can see here, we have a Claude chat window open inside of our Excel workbook, which is a commissions calculation workbook for 2 different sales reps. We start by asking to pull all closed-won opportunities from our CRM for each sales rep, which Claude will then intelligently read the contents of the workbook as well as the CRM opportunities and update the spreadsheet accordingly. This then gives us a total commission amount for each sales rep by month. We can then take it a step further and compare this calculated commission expense amount with the commission expense in Sage Intacct to see if there's any variance. It turns out there is a pretty big variance of just over $20,000. We are then asked by Claude if we would like to create a journal entry to true up the difference, and we say, yes please, create the journal entry. Once that is created, we're given a summary of the journal entry, including the journal, amount, date, and location it was created.